Hello, lend me your ear. I am Timothy, aka The Listener, here with another reaction for you today. Today we're reacting to Letter to You by Cleo Rain. The link to the original audio will be down in the description below. Also, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're playing it on the even request. Do keep in mind I have a list I'll get to when I get to it. I don't do request all Thursday night. Going into Friday and all day Friday because since the music drops within this time period most of the time. However, I do live stream Sundays and Mondays, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's the best time for me to get to your request. News drops always top priority. Anyways, without further ado, let's get it.
Hey, I know it's been a while since we last talked. So much has
I'm loving the vocals already.
changed. Kinda weird to think that you were once my rock, and now you can't.
Used to think that you were once my arc. And
Now you can't bring your lips to say my name.
you bring your lips to say mine.
You don't even know what's going on in my life, but I guess that is rightfully so. Can't even remember the last time we talked in a nice tone. This is my letter to you, to let you know I'm better off without you. As hard as it is to admit, started to think we should have just stayed friends. You taught me to.
As hard as it was to admit, I think we should have just stayed friends. Damn.
You taught me to love myself. God damn. That's what.
Wish I could love myself.
Damn. That's one of the most powerful things you can teach someone, man. As much as it hurts to say, we both know this last year you were main source of a lot of my pain. This is our goodbye. Whatever. And this is my letter to you, to let you know I'm better off without you. As much as we wanna deny, we taught each other lessons and we didn't waste each other's time.
Taught each other lessons and we didn't waste each other's time. Yep, you learn something new every day.
I guess this is goodbye. It hurts that we are done. Truly thought you were the one, but you had different plans. We are over, man.
Beautiful track. Definitely felt it. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I hope you like my reaction. Until next time, peace.